Welcome, Chicago Park District.
Hey friends, my name's Justin Boats with Inferno Mobile Recording Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to make really cool loops with nothing but a smartphone and an incredible app called the Kaossilator. So I'm going to take you on a little tour of this app and show you how you can start making incredible electronic music in just a few minutes using Korg's Kaossilator. Step 1. Download the app. Go to your phone's app store and type Kaossilator. Once you've downloaded it, you should see an icon that looks something like this. Step 2. Start making loops. So when you open up the app, you're going to see a user interface that looks like this. We have a number of flashing lights in a square surface. Beneath, we have a record button and a play button. We also have some parameters to control speed or tempo, the key that it's in, the beats or the synth sounds themselves. There are over 150 unique synth sounds. So let's try to make some music. Let's just play around and see what happens. As I move my finger, the sound begins to change. Okay, the loop has continued to play. Let's see what else we can do. If I click on another color, so I've started to create this little loop here, and now I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna show you one last thing. So up here in the corner, I've got a little file icon, and when I click on that, boop, boop, we see a couple options pop up. We see new, save, and export audio. And so what I want to do is save this loop.